Hello, amazing traders, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Victor, and this morning, this is a market recap on GBPJPY. Last week, I posted a video on my channel that GBPJPY is about to move 1,000 pips, and I'm sure a lot of traders are like this. Well, what is this one saying? How can you predict 1,000 moves on the market space? Like, are you a market maker? I'm not a market maker. I'm just an average trader like you guys, who have perfected his craft over 3 years plus right now. And I want to be breaking down how I was able to spot that 1,000 pips plus in movement before it becomes obvious. If you go to my previous video and watch the analysis, market was somewhere around here. And how was I able to predict this movement? This is daily time frame, and it's as simple as ABC. When this market was moving higher, higher, low, higher, and higher, low, I didn't do anything special than bring out my trend line and I drew something like this. If you haven't watched my previous channel, and if you haven't watched my previous video, go and watch it in order to understand what I'm talking about. And here we are. Market was moving higher, and higher, low steadily since December 2023. And it was perfect. It was perfect movement for GBPJPY. But something exciting happened. In July 24th, 2024, market broke that structure. Market broke the structure and retest back in 4 hours. Immediately, I knew that this market has changed direction, but I missed the opportunity. I missed it completely. And as a result of that, I couldn't participate. So I let it go. The market was dropping seriously. Then market reached this key level of 180.000, 180, which is the psychological level. Then something happened, market stopped. And market stopped at 180, and it begins to retrace back. And as a chartist, the next thing I did was that I just brought out my Fibonacci key level, drew it, and wait. I waited. And market, what happened since the 6th of August? Market was buying and buying and buying. When I was waiting, because when you wait in the market, you give yourself chances of becoming profitable over time. You give yourself the ability to understand what market is doing before it becomes obvious. And I wait. So instead of me buying and buying and buying, I didn't buy. I waited for market to understand, because if you can understand what market wants to do, it gives you an edge over others in the market. So when others are clicking buying and sell button in this consolidation, I do nothing. I was just waiting. Then something exciting happened on last week, Monday. Market reached Fibonacci key level and it reacts. And I know that when market reach Fibonacci key level, especially the golden ratio, and react, then there's a probability that market reversal is about to happen. And guess what? Market begins to pull back. Market begins to pull back. And with all things being equal, this market is coming to 180, 100. And if we calculate the pips, how many pips are we expecting here since this Fibonacci key level? How many pips eventually is about to drop here? It's even 1,400 pips. 1,400, not even 1,000 anymore. Imagine swinging this market. Imagine being in this market with 80 stop loss or 60 or 50, depending on your. Imagine being in this market with 60 stop loss pips, and you are riding the market to 1,200 pips. That is the power of price action analysis. That is the power of being patient in the market. When others are clicking buy and sell with emotions, you do not click that buy and button. You wait. you understand, you figure out what market is doing. And if you are thinking of entry level, that okay, when you know that market will react at Fibonacci key level, what was my entry? My entry was as simple as ABC. So what that was, whenever something like this happened, then I pick out my counter trend line. Then I drew something here. This is my counter trend line. But for me to understand what market is doing, this is my counter trend line. Then I duplicate. Come on. Are you seeing this? Now, which means that for markets for major reaction to happen first, market will reach this key level. This 180, it will reach that key level. But there is probability for more that this market is coming to 2000 pips. And that is power of price action. That you do not need to be quickly buying and buying and sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell every day. If you can be patient enough. And as I'm speaking right now, I am in this market already with 500 pips because I was able to enter somewhere around here. I will do the documentary later on. I was able to enter somewhere around here. And that is the power of price action. So you don't need you don't need to trade based on emotions. And this was my entry somewhere around here. This was the first entry. This was the second entry. And that is for GBPJPY. So go into your chart this morning. Go and find out what market is doing. Now, there's something I want to call our attention to once again. Let me quickly clean this chart for us to know that there are different strategies that makes the money. Now, this strategy is called channel trading. That is, you draw your trend line, then you duplicate it, then through the Wyckoff analysis, I will do the training later on. Through the power of Wyckoff trading, Richard Wyckoff, be able to understand how market moves because market moves in waves. Market do not move in straight line. Market either buy or sell or consolidate. And this is exactly what we can see here. That market was forming perfect higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, almost higher low, then higher high, then you break that structure, then retest, then another trend continue. Simple. Understanding that market moves in waves will help you to understand to capture the movement of the market before it becomes obvious. So when there is panic, you don't panic. You wait. You will miss a lot of trade. But imagine, see this, see, catching 1,000, 2,000 pips in the market with just one entry. You are made for the week. You are made for the month because you are able to be patient enough. So one of the characteristics, one of the attributes you must have, one of the attributes you must have in order to become a profitable trader is patience. If you are not ready to be patient, you don't have a chance of success in this industry. You don't. Now, I want to show you something again. Let me quickly clean this chart so you can see from where I start. So there is something I want you to pay attention to. Now, let me delete this key level. Let me delete this so you can see what I mean. Let me delete this Fibonacci key level. Now, when I opened this chart at the beginning of this video, this chart is called symmetric triangle. So which means that there are different lenses of entering the market. If you are a chart patterns, you can see the same thing. because your duty as a trader is to combine different strategies together in order to make right decisions, either buy or sell. You must learn how to combine. But something happened. Something funny happened here. This symmetric triangle, market actually broke it and retest. Then a daily candle form and market was buying. So whoever think, but something happened after the first day buy, after the first day of buy side liquidity, what happened to the market? Market crashed again. And this symmetric triangle actually holds because when market actually came down, it retests this key level. You can see in daily time frame, market broke it, retest, form indecision, and this was on Friday, which is non-farm payroll. And as we can see right now, where is our previous key level? The market is coming to. Market is coming here. So understanding chart patterns also, you can be profitable with time. You can say simple, plain, easy, but it takes time. This is 800 pips. Our market is already loading. And now out of the 800, it has already loaded 200 plus. This is almost 600 pips. Market is about to move. Now, charts, chart patterns trader is saying sell. Fibonacci trader is also saying sell. Both of them are right in their own ways. Both of them might have different, but one is more perfect than the other. A Fibonacci level, we have perfect entry, very sharp entry, quick entry than chart patterns in this market. And we can say, this is how I was able to cut 1,000 pips, more than 1,000 pips trading GBPJPY. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. Drop your comment below. Let me know. If you have not watched the previous video, it's at the end of this video. It's somewhere around here. Click the link, watch it, and find out yourself of how price action can change your trading career. Till I come your way next time, be safe.